Jordan 1 self-expression stands out in 2025's quieter AJ1 lineup, launching on July 31st via Nike.com and retailers like JD Sports. While sneaker culture leans toward Nike running retros, the AJ1 keeps evolving, this time with a clever twist. At first glance, its sleek black leather and muslin midsole nod to traditional, understated styles. But faint multicolor peaks along the seams hint at a surprise, a hidden rainbow of vibrant tones beneath the surface. Inspired by tearaway classics like the Lance Mountain AJ1 and Nike SB designs, this edition transforms as you wear it, revealing bold colors unique to each wearer's journey. Official images showcase this evolution, merging subtle craftsmanship with personal storytelling. Celebrating the model's 40-year legacy, self-expression offers more than just looks, it invites sneakerheads to engage creatively with the shoe. With heritage, innovation, and customization rolled into one, this AJ1 reaffirms its place as an ever-relevant icon.